So when you fill out that form on our website or on Facebook, what do we do with that information? Privacy is important, and you want to know that when you fill a form out or you give us your contact information, what's going to happen with it. So obviously we're here because we want to help people with home exteriors, and so when you fill out that form on our website or you call into our office, your information goes into our system that we use to follow up with clients. There are some automations attached to that. So we do send out a few text prompts. We try to be really gentle with those and not be nagging or bugging people too much. We typically reach out, if someone contacts us, we typically reach out right away, and then a few times over the next couple days if we don't hear back. And if we don't hear back from someone in about 2 weeks, we just disregard that contact information. The other thing we do with your information is we do send out some periodic emails. Those right now are going out monthly or quarterly. We've been testing how we feel about which way works best, but we do send out a few update emails throughout the year. So any email addresses in our system get added to that list. You can unsubscribe at any time. If you scroll down to the bottom of the email, or if you're getting texts from us and you don't like that method of contact, you can simply click unsubscribe, and that will remove your contact information from those lists. Outside of that, the only contacts that we make with people in our system are reaching out to discuss a quote or to follow up with a project that's in progress, and those are things that are very important for communication. So that's what we do with your information when you fill out that form below. If you have any questions on that, please let us know.